Welcome to the project demonstration of soldier health and pollution monitoring system using ThinkSpeak. So here we are going to monitor the soldier health parameters like heart rate and SpO2 from this Max 30100 sensor and temperature from this temperature sensor. And if we need of emergency, then if we press the switch, then the same status will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak along with location of the person that will be getting from this GPS module. So the GPS antenna will get the signal from the satellite and it will provide the same data to the processor to process that, and then it will convert that to the latitude longitude values, and that will be stored in our Arduino Uno, and from there we are going to send that to the ThinkSpeak with help of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So the data is going to be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform for every 15 seconds of duration. As ThinkSpeak accepts the data 15 seconds of duration, if you send the data below that, then automatically the system will erase that and it will only keep and store the data in ThinkSpeak for every 15 seconds duration data. Coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced this Max 30100 sensor at A4, A5 pins, A0 for this temperature sensor and pin number 10 for this switch, and pin number 2 to pin number 7 for this LCD screen, and GPS interface at the pin number 8, and 9 and 11 pins for this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So here, right, so all the these are the input modules and outputs are like LCD and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So before demonstration, first of all we need to enable the hotspots to provide the data for the kit to upload the data to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. So set up the hotspot name to project 5494 and password should be 123456789 and the AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling the hotspots and data, now we can on the kit. So when we on this, continuously initially welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and then after the light will get switched on this module. You can see one device connected in your mobile phone also. Yeah, right, one device connected. So when this light on, then only it start reading input from the readings when you place the finger on that. So just place the finger as I shown. So when it is showing the 00 values, now it's uploading the data to the ThinkSpeak. Whenever you will get this SpO2 value, the first one is beats per minute, second one is SpO2, and third one is temperature values, right, temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So when it is showing the 90 above, 95 above, then only you can consider the heart rate is a normal and exact value which we read successfully from the sensor. So you can see now the data is arriving. When you click on this dot, you can see the values also. So while scrolling, don't touch on the blue bar, right? So if you want to get the fresh data, if you want to erase the old data, so before erasing that, you need to download the data. For that, go to download, data import exports, download the data. So it will be downloaded in Excel sheet and we can access that. It will consist of downloads ka galan sir. So that particular Excel sheet consists of the date, time, seconds, and how many samples till now collected. And in our project, the field 1 is going to be the heart rate, field 2 is SpO2, field 3 is the temperature, field 4 is emergency. So now I am pressing this emergency switch. And next field 5 and field 6 are the latitude longitude values. Right, so these are the data, right? As we discussed, date and time, number of samples till now collected, heart rate, SpO2, temperature, emergency, latitude values. Now we can go to the data import export for download the data. Next, channel settings to clear the channel. In that, only do clear channel, don't do any other changes. It may affect the output directly. Right, channel is being cleared. Now go to private view. Private view to access the data, channel settings to clear the channel, data import export to download the data. Right, now you can see the old data got erased. So when I press the switch, emergency, press and hold it for 1 second. Right, as of emergency is 0. So if you can see this in laptop, you will get the perfect vision of these graphs directly. So when I place the finger, Right, we can see the emergency is 1 now, means there is emergency for the person and we can get the location of the person from the below lateral values also. So till you erase the data on this ThingSpeak, it will be stay there in that only, and once you clear the channel, the data will be erased. So my suggestion is to, before clear the channel, better to download the data and keep that as a backup. Right.